Keep your equipment running longer by using Spectroline UV fluorescent leak detection dye in your preventative maintenance plan. Never worry about leaks again. Our patented dye has the Spectroline advantage. Brightest fluorescent response, premium quality, engineered to meet manufacturer's OEM specifications. A co-solvent-free, non-particulate formula. Doesn't change the viscosity or lubricity of the host fluid. Approved for non-contact grade NSF applications. Allows for color coding to find leaks across multiple systems. Ready to level up your equipment? Applications include mobile equipment, facility maintenance, stationary equipment, OEM online quality control. Easy and effective Spectroline fluorescent leak detection is the best way to find leaks in industrial systems. Keep your business thriving by leaving the leak detection to our experts.